It's a 17 Mustang GT 5.0. So we went ahead and took these wimpy magnaflows off her. They don't make very much sound at all. Cut these off here and we put a couple of Flowmaster Outlaws on here. I think these are gonna sound a whole lot better. I'm gonna let it down and start it up for you. Put a couple of nice tips on there. Okay, these are Flowmaster Outlaws. It's a 17 Mustang GT 5.0 with the Flowmaster Outlaws, and the resonator in the middle has been deleted also. Still has the cats.